When it comes to skincare, one of the most misunderstood topics is hydration. Many believe that moisturizing simply means applying a cream with hyaluronic acid or even injecting it into the skin. This perception, largely shaped by advertising, overlooks the actual science of skin hydration and the vital role of the epidermal barrier. To understand hydration, it's essential to explore where the skin's moisture originates and how it is retained. The skin is composed of three layers: the hypodermis, dermis, and epidermis. While hypodermis and dermis act as water reservoirs storing moisture in blood vessels, cells, and intercellular fluid, the epidermis, the outermost layer, functions as a barrier to prevent water loss. The epidermal barrier includes three main components: cells, living and dead scales that form the stratum corneum; lipid barrier, fatty substances between cells that prevent water loss; acid mantle, a hydrolipid film formed from sweat and sebum, maintaining surface pH. Each component plays a unique role in locking moisture within the skin. The lipid barrier, for example, contains ceramides, about 50%, cholesterol, 25%, free fatty acids, 20%, and cholesterol sulfate. These elements glue the epidermal cells together, ensuring a tight, water-resistant seal. Dehydrated versus dry skin. There's a critical distinction between dehydrated and dry skin. Young individuals with adequate water intake can still experience dehydration if their epidermal barrier is compromised. This might be congenital, e.g., atopic dermatitis, or acquired through improper skincare. Symptoms include tightness, fine lines, microcracks, and hypersensitivity. Even oily skin can be dehydrated since surface sebum does not compensate for a disrupted lipid barrier. In contrast, dry skin in older individuals is primarily due to age-related declines in lipid synthesis and enzyme function. Over time, the ability of skin cells to produce necessary lipids diminishes. The 3 ways to hydrate skin. 1. Occlusion. The oldest and quickest method involves applying substances that form a barrier to prevent water evaporation. These include saturated fatty acids, synthetic oils, waxes, silicones, and some natural oils. While occlusion gives instant results, it can impair the skin's natural lipid synthesis and slow barrier repair. It's best reserved for pathological conditions like atopic dermatitis or psoriasis, not for healthy, oily, or mildly dehydrated skin. 2. Replacement therapy. This method replenishes what the skin lacks. Natural moisturizing factor, NMF, contains urea, amino acids, sodium PCA, and lactic acid, all essential for water retention in the stratum corneum. These can be used by nearly everyone. Lipid replacement. Apply ceramides, cholesterol, and essential fatty acids, omega-3, 6, 9, directly to the skin. These components support the lipid barrier and must also be present in the diet since the body cannot synthesize essential fatty acids. Squalane, a stable, skin-friendly form of squalene known for its antioxidant properties and compatibility with all skin types. 3. Restoration of the epidermal barrier. This is the most effective and long-lasting approach. It involves using replacement components, lipids, amino acids, within a special formulation called a lamellar emulsion. These emulsions mimic the skin's natural membrane structure, allowing for better absorption and integration. Free from harsh surfactants, they form a non-occlusive protective layer, reduce water loss, enhance photoprotection, and aid in delivering active ingredients deeper into the skin. Lamellar emulsions often contain urea, squalane, fatty acids, ceramides, shea butter, and amino acids like serine and glycine. Though not widely available, finding the right lamellar emulsion can significantly improve skin hydration and health. True hydration is not about slathering on the latest hyaluronic acid cream or mask. It's about understanding and supporting the skin's barrier functions, from proper nutrition to using targeted formulations that restore what the skin truly needs. By focusing on the science of the epidermal barrier, anyone can achieve healthier, more resilient skin.